The second and 10th terms of an arithmetic sequence are, the second term is 3.8, and the 10th term is -1. Find the common difference. Well, usually when I deal with arithmetic sequences, I look at this formula right here. A sub n is going to equal the first term plus whatever term I'm talking about minus 1 times the common difference. Here's the thing. I don't have the first term. I don't know the common difference. What I do know is I have the 10th term. That's good. So what I could do is I could just be like, you're now the first term, and you're now the 9th term, and no one's going to know any different, right? Just shift it over once, because all I have to do is find the common difference. So if we just make believe that you're the first term, and if you're the first term, then you're no longer the second, that means you are now the 9th. So I can do this. So what I have is I have the fact that a of 9 is -1. I know that. I don't know the first term, except that I do. It's 3.8, because I just made it up. 3.8 plus the fact that we are using the 9th term minus 1 times the common difference. Now I have enough information to do the rest. -1 equals 3.8 plus 8d. Let's subtract 3.8 from both sides minus 3.8. You become -4.8 equals 8d. Divide both sides by 8. Divide both sides by 8. And -4.8 is basically the same thing as what's 40? 6? -0.6? It's going to be my common difference. So there you go. So we were a little clever on this. We're clever kids.